Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change currency on Nunchuk Wallet. To change currency on Nunchuk Wallet, follow through the steps and watch the video till the end. First of all, go ahead and open the Nunchuk Wallet application from your app drawer and make sure to sign in to your account. After you are signed into your main homepage, from the home page, tap on the profile button at the bottom right hand corner. From your profile page, click on local currency option. Choose the currency you would like to change to from the list and tap on save at the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, you will be able to change your default currency to something else of your preference on Nunchuk Bitcoin wallet. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.